Hello and welcome to Cosmetic Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about how to formulate liquid hand wash. Very firstly, let's start the theory of the hand wash. As we all know, what is hand wash? For making it, we need basic 7 key ingredients. First one is surfactant. In this formulation, I'm going to use two types of the surfactants. First one is primary and second one is secondary. So in primary surfactant is used for cleansing action and secondary surfactant is used for the foaming action. Okay. Now the second key ingredient is chelating agent. So what is chelating agent? This ingredient is very important, as when we use this in the formulation, it reacts with metal ions of water to form a stable water soluble complex. Okay. Then humectant as a moisturizer, means moisturizing agent. After that, thickener, preservatives, color, perfumes and pH balance. We will discuss it later. You know, every product have its own pH given by BIS, that is the Bureau of Indian Standard. So pH of hand wash is between 4 to 6. Ideal one is 5. Okay. After this, the quantity of surfactant we can use between 25 to 35% in a hand wash. Thickening agent is between 1 to 2%, and remaining like a preservative, color, perfumes and pH balancer will be quantity sufficient according to our will. And yes, chelating agent is in between 0.2 to 0.5. After this, let's discuss the formulation. In this video, I'm going to make a 100 ml batch of this hand wash. So out of 100 ml, 60 ml is of water and 35 ml for surfactant, and remaining 5% for the other ingredients. One more thing, in primary surfactant, I'm using SLES and AOS as a cleansing agent, and in secondary surfactant, I'm using CAPB and CDEA. Now this is the formulation. By this formulation, we are going to make our liquid hand wash. So SLES, AOS, CDEA, CAPB, glycerin, EDTA, NaCl, preservative, color, perfume, pH balancer. So the quantity of SLES is 20, then AOS 7, CDEA 3, CAPB 5, glycerin 5.3, EDTA 0.2, NaCl 1, and remaining one are quantity sufficient. Make a note over here. In every product, we need to adjust pH, means above 7 or below. Above 7 is the basic and below 7 is acidic. For decreasing, we need to add lactic acid or the citric acid, and for increasing it, we need to use NaOH. I will cover this pH part in the procedure during the formulation. So this is the short theory of the hand wash. After this, apparatus and ingredients, we need beaker, thermometer, spatula, weight scale, water bath. Now ingredients, I'm using ingredients from PURENSO Select. Link of these ingredients are given in the description box. You can check it over there. Also, this one is the distilled water, EDTA, lactic acid, CDA, preservative, AOS, CAPB, SLES, glycerin, color. Okay. Now, firstly, weight the ingredients. How to do it? Place a beaker on a scale and tear it. Note one point, we need to weight every quantity of the ingredient in grams, not in ml. Fine. Weighting distilled water 60 gram. Likewise, this one is SLES. In the same way, we have to weight it, like place it and tear it.